Hey everybody, here at Confisco Grille. It's the first time Brian and I have eaten here, or it's the first time I've eaten here.
Yeah.
So we wanted to check it out and tell you how the food is and give you a quick tour. It's called Confisco because there are props confiscated from all the different islands here at Islands of Adventure. There's also a children's menu. Enough looking at the menu, let's go in. Here's a look at the bread that comes with honey butter, which turns out is just butter with honey in it. It's not special. And there's what's there is and that's the one that Brian is trying. And this is
a side Greek salad.
Take it to the Greek salad.
Yep. Food's ready.
Oh man, this food is cold. Can I get some more? So I have the adventure in fajitas. Don't put a comment, I was kidding. Food just came and Brian's already finished. And there we go. One tortilla ready to go. So Brian, what do you think?
That was delicious. I recommend the pasta if you come here. It's got
What kind of pasta?
it was kind of like a fettuccine, but like very, very thick. It was very delicious. A little bit of white wine in the sauce, and it's not a red sauce. It's a I guess a white sauce, but it came out like gray when everything was put together, but very delicious.
And my fajitas was nice as well.
The portion sizes are very good here, so it's a good value. Thank you.
And here's a look at their dessert menu. And if you missed it, the drink selection. Here's our mayonnaise. Béarnaise. It's a bit like funnel cake, in a way. It's fried dough. And that is not ketchup, that is strawberries and chocolate. Let's get some.
Apparently people from Louisiana have actually had the real thing, say these are amazing.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
These were of course delicious, covered in sugar, so I like it. So again, I thought my meal was delicious, and I was kidding about it being cold because it came out sizzling hot, so just being sarcastic. I really liked it. Service is great, prices are good. Brian liked his meal.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Now here's a few more shots of the interior.